So, hello everyone. So, I'll be doing a quick walkthrough of two Telegram bots that I built for Cora Paymaster. So, the first one is the renpurg3 bot, which is a Telegram bot that uses a Cora node Paymaster to perform gasless transaction. While the second bot will be why the second bot will be an operator dashboard block that tracks and returns rent for empty token account that was created by the node Cora node provider. So let's get started. So this is it. As you can see, my wallet address. I have zeros, so zero USDC. So let's so first thing first. Let me fund the wallet. So I tap my wallet. Let me fund with USDC first. So let me go. I'll go to Circle USDC for set to fund it. So I will select Solana, paste my wallet address. So 20 USDC, 20 USDC token has been sent to the wallet. So from here, you can see that the balance is zero, so and zero USDC. So let's check our balance again. So we see we have 20 USDC. So we are going to perform. I'm going to perform a gasless transaction. I don't have so here, but I'm still going to transfer this USDC to another user. Now this renpurg integrated a Cora node provider which I deployed. So the Cora node provider will handle payment of transaction fee and everything. So this gives a frictionless interface for people to actually use. So your users don't need to worry about having souls. You can onboard faster and everything. So let's send to a okay. Let's continue the demo. So let me send since the balance here is 20 USDC and the user has zero, so we are going to perform a gasless transaction now by sending out 10 USDC to a wallet. So I've already copied the wallet. So let me say send 10 USDC. So I'll be going to this wallet. So once I hit send, so descending, sending token, please wait. So yeah, so it was successfully sent 10 USDC to this. So let's check our balance. Let's check the balance to see. Let's check our balance. You see, so we still have zero, so we're able to send 10 USDC, and the 0 point is like the other 0.3 this thing USDC that is remaining. Like if you can see here, the balance is 9.7. The other remaining USDC was a fee that was paid to the node and to Cora node provider. That's the paymaster provider that we are using. So let's actually view this transaction. Let's actually view the transaction and see. So this is the transaction. This is the timestamp. So these are the address of the transaction. So let me see if I can. So addresses. So you see, this is the if you check this, the first address here is the payer, right, which is the node provider. You see the fee payer and the signer. But the second one is the wallet address. Is also the signer. Right. So let's see the account that received the 10 USDC. So token balance. So this is the account that received the 10 USDC is this one. So let's actually do it. So one good thing about the Cora node provider is it automatically creates a token account even if the sender I want to send does not have like a token account, right? So it pays for the rent and everything. So that's where the rent reclaiming comes into play. So this is it. So this is the account that we sent the USDC to. So the node provider actually paid rent for to create this associated token account for this USDC for the sender. So yeah, that's it. You can see we are able to perform a gasless transaction. So this makes onboarding and user experience easy for users when you integrate it to your application. So for the second part of this, and I'm going to also walk through the rent reclaiming bot that helps no provider to actually check accounts, to actually check their claimable rents from account that they paid for rent for. So for that, I'm going to use another bot. Um, so this is our. Let me show you. So this is the node provider. That's the current node provider that is paying, that was integrated in this bot. So if you can also view, if you also view it, let's view it on chain. So this is these are all the transactions. Then this that's it. So we'll go. Let's go and view this bot now. So click here. So when we start it, so this is it. So this is the renpurg, which is the node, which is the rent reclaiming bot. So one thing about this bot is, right, it scans every single node. It can scan the node provider, any node provider wallet you send to it. So it scans it and check for claimable rent, and also it also gives you list of accounts that the node provider paid fee for the for rent creation of the token account. So we can actually let's count for the node, let's count the node provider, all the claimable rents for the node provider using the cashless transaction. So once we click scan, so it is going to take some time to scan. So it's actually indexing all the transaction and checking for transaction that it paid rent for. So yeah, it is done. So as you can see, these are the claimable. So far, this no provider has created a total of 4 accounts. Like it has paid fee for 4 accounts and has 0.008 so claimable. So now, if you check all this, you can see the status of their claims. So you can see some of these accounts are still active. They are still active. None of them are claimable yet. Then you can also see the closing account authority, the means, the transaction hash, the time that the node provider paid the fee for their account creation. That's for the token account creation. So that is it.